Is that a weave? Is that your real hair? Bundles, bundles, bundles. Hit that plug up for the bundles.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you another way to fix your over bleached knots. Now, if you see my last video on over bleached knots, you know that I gave you guys like a super quick fix on over bleached knots, but today I'm giving you guys a more permanent fix on how to permanently fix your knots and fix up the parting space and everything so it looks perfect for when you wear it. So to do so, you're going to need the Adore color off black, and then I go in with a toothbrush, or you can use a comb, anything with like small bristle brushes that is able to fit into small parts. So what you want to do is literally part off each section of the frontal piece by piece into small parts, by the way, and just dip your old toothbrush or brush, whatever you have, whatever you're using, the tip of your comb into the dye, and then you want to apply that to the part, and that covers up the over bleached knots. When you're bleaching a knot, you're basically trying to lighten the knot color, which is going to make that like a blondish color. So when you leave the bleach on for too long, or you put it on too rough and it goes through the actual lace onto the hair, it will bleach up the hair shaft and you'll end up with the over bleached knot look. So that's all we're doing. You're just recoloring those strands of hair up the hair shaft black. Now, the wig that we're using today is from Vipwigs. This is their RLC BOB. It's 180 density, and it is a 13x6 deep parting wig, which means that the parting goes like really far back. And let me just say that this Brazilian curly texture is banging. Like when I wore this, people thought that I had just did a wash and go on my real hair. So period, let's get it. You're basically going to follow this throughout the whole entire frontal, like I said before. Once you do that, you can let it sit for about 20 minutes and then go ahead and do your normal shampoo process that you would do on your wigs. This method can be used for any wig that is basically over bleached, and if they're like over bleached to the point where it's maybe like an inch of over bleached knots, you can actually do the dip method, and the dip method with the off black color or whatever color your wig is, and just dip it in there and it'll be back brand new like you never even touched it. So yeah, if you're not interested in seeing the process being finished throughout the whole entire frontal, go ahead and fast forward to the end so you guys can see the ending result. Alright, so this is the next morning and I'm just taking off my bonnet. All I did was literally wash out the wig like I said, and then I applied it. I didn't put any type of product or anything into the hair. I just simply brushed it out. So here is a closer look on how the parting space looks and how the knots and everything look after fixing the over bleached knots. It looks like a perfect scalp, yes honey, and it looks brand spanking new and it looks really good. So this is my other method, my more permanent method in how to fix a big mistake that a lot of people seem to do, you know, messing with frontals and stuff like that. If you're anything like me, you forget that you have bleach on stuff. So I mean, it happens, but there's always a quick fix and a permanent fix. So it happens, it's life. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Comment below some new video suggestions and things you guys want to see from me as far as wigs, natural hair, and whatever else. Love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.
I bought it, it's mine. 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 I bought it.